Okay, it's a Priya pop quiz. Where's Priya? Where's Priya? Oh, Priya Padoodle! You coming down to see me? Hi! You just had Angela, the kitty sitter, came by. She must have spent a half hour here. She was lovely. Hi, Priya! And Priya's a happy girl, isn't she? We had to cut the hair off her booty because she's getting poop stuck in it and stuff. So it was good to have a second person. Angela held her and I did the cutting job, and now your kitty is dreadlock free. Booty dreadlock. Oh, she just rubbed right into the phone like, oh, Priya, you happy? Show Mom how good you're doing. She'd be so happy to see you. Oh, she'd be so happy to see you rolling around. Oh, Priya, that's a good one. She's gonna love that. Oh, big stretchers. Big stretch. I can't barely reach you. She's doing great. Look at her. Priya, I can't even hold the camera that high. How cute are you? How cute are you? Priya, you happy? You like it here? You like your kitty sitter, don't you? She is so happy to see her. Aren't you? Oh, she's a good girl. Say kitty meow. Can you say kitty meow? Oh, look, she brought her a present too. Isn't that cute? Priya, did you get a present? By the way, I have been giving her the kitty lax stuff. Just for the fun of it. What are you doing? Hi, girl. Big girl. Say bye. Say bye-bye to Mama. She liked this video so much. Oh, yeah.